Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide heart rates on the Strava application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the Strava application if you already have it on your phone. If you have it, that will be great, but if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Once you actually download it, make sure to go and open the application, and of course then you will actually they will actually ask you to log in into your account. So if you have an account, make sure to just go and log in into it, but if you don't have an account, just go and create it or sign up. They will give you three options to do so. Choose one of them. They will give you the Facebook option, Google option, and even the email option. Choose whatever suits you, and then you will have to, oh sorry, you will find yourself here in this home option of the Strava application. It is going to be your home screen or your main screen, and here normally you'll find like your posts, your recent posts or segments as it's called in the Strava application. And of course you can add some recent like posts, photos, manual activities, or you can just go and edit some of your activities or posts, whatever, or even delete them if you want. But what we said, we would like to hide our heart rates on the Strava application. So of course, first of all, you can just go and click at you at the bottom right corner, then click at the settings at the top right corner option. Then click at link other services and make sure if you have any watch who can manage to calculate or to know your heart rate, make sure to disconnect this watch or even disconnect this Google Fit if it's showing your heart rate. And of course, now when you go even to this record option, even if you have it like, let me just finish this one. If you have it even like already connected and you don't want to connect it, make sure to just disable this option. As you can see, it's on gray. That means it's disabled, and that will not show your heart rate option. If it's on like orange, like this one, make sure that will show your heart rate. So make sure to disable this by just click on it and disable in here whatever you have available sensor. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.